Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. How are you today? All fine?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. Was in boarding school? You are fine?
Fine.
I'm fine.
We are fine.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay. So I check attendance list first ya. Who's in home? Is Dio in home?
Hakim,
Wait. Hakim,
Faza,
Faza, other,
Adit,
Adit,
Haidar,
Haidar. Okay, who's this? Hakim, Dio, Adit. Fifth person ya? Fifth person in home ya?
kayaknya ada lagi loh, tapi lupa.
Coba tolong cek dulu yang di asrama, yang di kelas ini, yang kelas di asrama, temannya yang di rumah ada yang di asrama. Can you check your friend?
Ya, Bu.
Yes, can you check your friend who's in home now?
Di rumah. Faid Izun Sigara.
Pak? Who's Pak?
Izun Faid.
Oh, Faid. Okay. Okay, Faid Izun. So, other?
Dimas, Bu Dimas.
Dimas, okay. Next?
Terus Aditya.
No, that's one person.
Enggak, Bu, dua, Bu. Dimas Haidar sama Dimas Aditya.
Dimas Aditya. So?
Dimas Haidar.
Oh, Dimas Haidar also in home.
Iya, Dimas, Aditya. Iya gitu, Bu.
Next?
Hakim. Malik, Bu.
Oh, Malik. So, Hakim.
No. No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 person.
Hakim. Aiman Hakim Tarmidi.
Okay. Other?
Dio Muhammad Dio Ramadan.
Okay.
And then
Bu Malik gak ada, Bu Malik gak ada.
Rofi Air Ahmad.
So who's in home are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8%, right? 8%, right? Okay. 8%. Hakim, Dimas Aditya, Faid Izun, Fatarani Faza, Dimas, Dio Ramadan, Malik in home.
No, that's false.
I see that all is present right now, okay? Finish. So, can we start our class today?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start our class today by reciting Basmalah first. Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, today we are going to discuss or review about the 2 chapters when we have already discussed before. There are 2 chapters. What is it? What we have discussed about it? What? 2 chapters. First, about what material? About continuous
Tense.
Continuous tense, and the second about the story, legenda, fairy tale. What is it? About what text? Nara? Can you answer?
Naratif.
Narrative text. Okay, good. So you are now already know about that materia, right? But now we can review if there's something that you don't know and you want to ask to me. So please ask me, okay? Karena hari ini kita akan review tentang materi continuous tense dan juga naratif. Next week, PTS, right? Have you opened your book? Please open your book. First, we review about continuous tense first. Who's in boarding school, can you open your book, page 45? Please open your book, page 45. Have you opened your book, page 45? Chapter 5. Please open your book, page 45. About
45.
continuous
Yes,
tense. We discussed first about continuous tense, okay? So in home, you can open your notes. What is continuous tense? Who can answer what is continuous tense?
Present continuous tense is used to talk about activities in the present.
So, what the form of the present continuous? Formulanya apa?
Mulai
I see
I
we
see
they.
it where you day.
Oke, jadi present continuous itu kalau ada kata-kata continuous berarti verbnya pasti verb 1 plus ing. Oke? Jadi clue-nya adalah present continuous itu atau kata-kata continuous itu mereka menggunakan verb 1 plus ing. Nah, okay. So the sentence must be subject, to be, and verb ing. What is it? Subject.
Subject to be verb plus ing.
Okay, good. Okay, so if that sentence is a question, what is the formula? If that sentence is a question.
To be subject verb ing.
Okay, good. There's short answer. Jadi kalian bisa pakai kalau misalnya ada pertanyaan, terus jawabannya pakai short answer boleh. Ya, jadi nggak harus sebut verbnya apa, gitu. Jadi bisa langsung yes, I am. Yes, she is. So for the negative sentence, what is the formula?
Subject to be I am is are plus not verb ing.
Oke, berarti kalau negatif itu add not. Jadi not-nya harus ditambah ya, karena dia kan enggak. Artinya kan tidak.
Ya.
Jadi, jangan lupa not itu after ya, not kata not after to be, after to be.
Jadi subject to be not nih.
Nah, gitu. Jadi subjeknya dulu, baru to be, baru tambah not, baru verb ing. Jadi not-nya itu after to be. Or any question?
No.
Ada yang mau nanya nggak?
No.
Who's want to answer first? Number.
Saya.
Fikri, Miss.
Fikri. Kata kuncinya adalah subjeknya yang udah dikasih tanda merah. Coba kalau number 1, he is running. Benar nggak ya? Yes, benar. Berarti udah paham ya. She, to be-nya is, terus run-nya plus verb ing jadi running. Oke.
Makasih
Good.
Bu, makasih.
Kasih good. Next, number 2, who want to answer?
Me.
Who's that?
Rama.
Rama, oke, Rama.
They are sleeping in the tent.
Tenda.
Apa bacanya? Nggak tahu.
Ten.
They are sleeping in the tent.
They are sleeping in the tent.
Ya.
Oke, coba kita lihat jawabannya ya.
Salah Rama.
Very good. Karena they itu to be-nya are, sleep, plus ing. Jadi they are sleeping. Okay. Good job, Rama. Next, number 3. Who want to answer?
Hilal, Kafir.
Fikri.
Hilal.
Siapa? Fikri.
Hilal.
Okay, Haris, number 3. What's the answer? Jadi apa, Haris?
Krishna and Ardika are decorating the room for the party.
Okay, good. Number 4. Siapa yang mau jawab?
Hilal.
Hilal. Oke, Hilal. Ada Hilal?
Fikri.
Jadi number 4 itu ada 2. Jadi yang pertama jawab questionnya dulu, habis itu yang yes-nya answer-nya. Double point.
Oke. R the student.
Siapa dulu itu? Hilal ya?
What?
Siapa? Yang mau jawab siapa?
Hilal.
Oke, Hilal. Coba number 4.
Gampang ya. R the student smoking the floor. Yes, they are. Nah. R.
Jawab, Miss.
Oke.
Are the
coba.
students smoking the floor? Yes, they are.
Oke. Yakin sekali dengan jawabannya ya?
Yes.
Are the students mopping the floor? Yes, they are. Gitu ya?
Yes, they are.
Oke, kita
Yes.
lihat jawabannya ya. Good. Are the students? Why the students itu jadinya are?
Yes.
Karena apa? Kenapa the students jadinya are?
Karena dia lebih dari karena dia banyak students pakai S.
Good. Wih, pinter ya kalian, pinter. Berarti benar jawabannya. Yes, they are. Oke, good, Hilal. Next, number 5.
Number
Siapa
5,
lagi?
Muas.
Muas. Oke, Muas.
Muas.
Baca dulu.
Is he?
Iya
dong.
Is he working on his work?
On his homework?
Aduh. Repeat.
Is he working on his homework?
No, he isn't.
Isn't. No, he isn't.
Isn't.
Oke, berarti yang pertama itu is, ya. Yang kedua
Yes.
is not, berarti ya, kalau digabung isn't, gitu kan? Oke, coba kita lihat ya. Is he working on his homework? Good. So now the second, no, he is. He isn't. Good. 2 point more.
Punya duit kan?
Oke.
Punya apa?
Next.
Pego berapa sih? Pego berapa?
We are going to discuss about past continuous tense. Sekarang kita masuk past continuous tense karena present continuous kalian semua udah paham ya. Jadi open your book page 48.
48.
Ya, 48. Oke.
Gini.
Kalau I have
We review about past continuous tense. Nah, who knows about past continuous tense? What is it?
Oke, Miss. Ini Miss.
Panjang juga ya.
Oke.
Jawabannya artinya past continuous tense digunakan untuk membicarakan hal-hal yang terjadi di masa lalu dan tidak berhenti terjadi. Subjek, verb to be, was, were atau were. Terus ditambah verb ing.
Kenapa pakai was and were?
Karena itu lampau.
Good. Jadi pertama subjek, yang kedua verbnya jadinya itu past, jadi pakai was atau were.
To be.
Oke, baru to be. Yang pakai was itu apa aja? Subjek yang pakai was apa aja?
Nama Miss?
Subjek yang menggunakan to be was.
Was, I, she, he, it.
Good. Yang memakai to be were.
We, you, they.
Oke, we, you, they. Oke, good. Kalau question, formulanya gimana? Kalau question sentence, formulanya gimana?
Verb to be, subject, verb ing.
Jadi yang pertama to be-nya, yang kedua subject, yang ketiga verb ing, baru tanda tanya.
Verb ing. Ya.
Kalau short answer-nya,
Verb answer-nya yes, I, she, he, it, was.
good. Kalau
Yes,
yang
we,
negatifnya,
they, were. Hah?
oke, yang short answer kalau negatifnya ada was not ya atau wasn't. Gitu. Sekarang formulanya negatif sentence.
Subject, pertama subject, kedua verb to be, was, were ditambah not, terus ketiga verb ing.
Jadi not ditaruh setelah
Was, ya verb to be.
to be. Ingat ya, not ditaruh setelah to be.
Ya.
Ada yang mau tanya dulu sebelum kita masuk ke quiz?
Nothing.
Nothing. You are ready to the quiz?
Yes.
Yes.
There are 5 questions that you must answer it. So who want to answer number 1? Oh, ini di dalam kurungnya itu kata verb-nya ya, yang buat dimasukin ke titik-titik. Yang pertama itu buat yang sesuai ya. Yang pertama di blank yang pertama, yang kedua di blank yang kedua.
Answer number 1.
Oke.
They were waiting for me when I arrived at the station.
Jadi they were waiting sama I
For me,
arrived.
arrived.
Ada D-nya ya, arrived.
Nah.
Jadi verb arrived. Oke. Oh itu. Oke, they were waiting me when I arrived at the station ya.
Ya.
Oke. Why the verb is not at by ing? Jadi kenapa yang ini waiting, yang ini arrive?
Were they playing? Were they playing?
No. Please answer my question first. Miss tanya, kenapa yang pertama pakai waiting, yang kedua pakai arrive dan gak ditambahin?
Oh, karena yang waiting itu verb ing.
Ya, yes, I know. Maksudnya karena yang sedang dilakukan dari tadi sampai sekarang itu yang menunggu, ya kan? Oke, the second number, which want to answer?
Bio jawab Bio. Hakim.
Yang di rumah, Miss.
Yang di rumah, Miss.
Boleh, yang di rumah, boleh yang di rumah. Yang di rumah juga boleh jawab ya, siapa? Question sentence Dio. Remember this question sentence. Yang lain coba persiapkan jawaban nomor 3, 4 sama 5. Jadi nanti bisa langsung jawab.
Miss Arali.
Oke? Jadi nggak nunggu-nunggu.
She was crying when she heard hearing.
Nomor 2.
Oke, go.
Were they
Was she
playing tennis when it started raining?
Were they playing tennis when it started raining? Okay. Good. Were they playing when it started raining? Good job, Dio. Thank you.
Okay, Miss.
Number 3. Which one to answer?
Me.
Okay, go ahead. Dimas.
Dimas Aditya, Bu.
Okay. Ayo, number 3.
Ya, saya Mas ya. She was crying when she heard the news.
Heard.
Heard.
Okay. She was
Yeah.
crying when she heard the news.
Oh.
Good. She was
Yeah.
crying and she heard the
Was
news.
crying.
Good job.
Heard.
Okay. Number 4.
Good job. Number 4, Mas.
Sama lagi.
Raka Miss.
Okay, go ahead, Raka.
Raka jago bahasa Inggris. Sini.
Yang apa, Mes?
Nomor 4 baca.
Number
Baca
4.
lagi jawab. Nomor 4. Nomor 4.
Nomor 4 itu was she crying when you saw her? Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Stupid. Apa itu apa? Yes, she was ya. Ya, she was.
She was. Was she crying when you saw her? Yes.
Was she crying when you saw her? Yes, she was.
Okay. Was and was. The last number 5. Faizal, can you hear me?
Saya Miss.
Okay.
Yang
Good
nomor
job.
Faizal gimana?
Miss.
What were you doing when the teacher arrived?
I
was in your letter.
I was. Jadi yang pertama what were you? Yang kedua I was. Oke. Nih, maafin ya ini PPT-nya tulisannya berantakan. Nah, yang pertama were, yang kedua was. Jangan lupa ya dilihat subjeknya, baru bisa taruh to-be-nya. Oke. Gimana untuk past continuous? Have you understand about this? Oke. Jelas. Future continuous. Mau langsung jawab apa penjelasan dulu future continuous?
Langsung jawab, Miss.
Langsung jawab. Berarti maksudnya gini. Berarti ini bisa beranggapan bahwa kalian paham future continuous ya. Oke. Kita coba jawab ya. Coba kalian baca dulu soalnya, baru kita jawab bareng-bareng. Kalau future continuous berarti kejadiannya baru mau dilakukan, tapi sudah direncanakan, ya kan? Nah, berarti ditambah kata-kata pakai will be, will be, maybe, or should be, oke? Jadi kalau future ditambahnya will be.
Itu tubinya, Miss. Tubinya
Ya,
will be.
B-nya jadi tadi B-nya itu to be. Ayo coba number 1. Ini bentar lagi kelasnya. Udah selesai loh jamnya.
Udah lewat, Miss.
Yaudah jawab bareng-bareng aja ya. Coba. You certificate were your raincoat now. Berarti
You will
you will be
wearing
wearing. Oke.
your raincoat now.
Oh, you should be. Jadi perbedaannya should be, will be, sama maybe itu adalah tingkat keyakinannya. Misalnya kalau I will be berarti kamu benar-benar mau nanti ngelakuin hal itu. Kalau misalnya should be atau maybe itu masih 50-50. Bisa berubah. Sesuaikan aja, oke. Jadi butuh future tense udah kebayang ya, udah paham ya. Soalnya kita udah selesai ini. Nanti ini. Nih, Miss kasih lihat jawabannya aja.
Maybe happy. Oh.
Semuanya sama benar semua. Cuman tingkat keyakinannya aja. Semuanya sama-sama buat future continuous. Oke? Oke. Nih masih ada satu lagi yang naratif. Tapi untuk naratif teman-teman udah bisa ya. Jadi kalau naratif teks itu terpaku sama teks. Jadi kalian harus baca dulu whole teksnya, baru kalian bisa jawab pertanyaan gitu. Jadi kalau naratif teks teman-teman harus baca dulu teksnya, dipahami dulu biar bisa jawab soalnya gitu. Tapi teman-teman udah paham kan kalau naratif teks itu yang teks dongeng, legenda. Nah, itu sesuaikan aja sama teksnya. Jadi kalau mau jawab soalnya, yang dibahas di pertama kan siapa aja orangnya, kapan, terus konfliknya apa, ya kan? Nah, terus yang terakhir apa yang terjadi atau misalnya solusinya apa yang disampaikan gitu. Jadi kan ada 3 bagian, ya kan? Ada 3 bagian gitu kan? Gitu. Jadi untuk naratif teks, insya Allah semuanya bisa ya. Semua sama naratif teks juga bisa. Oke. Jadi sekarang kita tutup kelasnya karena udah lewat jamnya. Okay, before we close our class today, let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you for attention. Thank you for enthusiasm. I hope you can pass your exam next week and you can answer the question by well and you get the point right too. Okay, the good point. Okay, the good mark. Okay, thank you for today. Keep health. Ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm from grade 9. I want to give a few words for Miss Nabila. Things clearly and easy to understand. She is friendly. Semoga Miss Nabila untuk mengajar lebih selanjutnya akan dimudahkan oleh Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala.
Hello, my name is Muazzar Rahim from grade 9. I want to give a few words for Miss Nabila. I like her way of teaching. It's fun. She told you jokes. I don't get bored. And I hope she can be more successful. Always be healthy.
Baru ngeliat mukanya. Makasih banyak ya kelas ini. Banyak ya. Kita mau kerja sama, udah mau diajari. Makasih banyak buat waktunya ya. Sukses ya kalian ya, sukses ya.
forget us.
I will not forget you. Oh, thank you.